No, that's not. Right, so we're gonna start off with hair. I kind of have like a mullet situation going on. When I think my hair is damaged, I just cut it all off. But I found out I have wavy hair in the front of my head. It just kind of does its own thing. Like, it's not really in the mix. I just use my Eco Styler. Okay, she is here, she is present. We're gonna go without the clamp look. So now that the sleek hair is done, we're gonna move on to makeup. I'm gonna wash my hands and we can get started. Makeup makes the look, honestly. Makeup makes up the face. This is more back to school, get ready with me style. So I'm not gonna go as hard. I feel like if we're gonna go 90s style with this, then we're gonna go full. We're gonna make it work. So I'm going in with this Dior Get Together and taking my brush. Now, foundation is very optional because it is school. For the look purposes, it works. I'm just giving myself a base and blend, blend, blend. Hopefully I look blended. I feel like black culture in the 90s was just so beautiful. Like, I was obsessed with it. If I can portray it, then I'm gonna do so. But I have this e.l.f. concealer. This is really like, it's extremely light. I love when people comment like, oh, she didn't need makeup or they need makeup or whatever. It's like, do you think they're doing this for you? They're doing it for your entertainment, not your approval. So as you can see, I'm starting to look a little light, a little on the lighter side. So while I'm having this light moment, I'm gonna go in with the NYX. And I kind of just like let it sit for a little bit before I like fully blend it in. Okay, this is lipstick, yes, but it worked. And a trick, a really good trick, because I have high cheekbones, but they have no definition on my regular face. So the trick I do is I go like this, like a U, and then I go down because it insinuates my cheekbones, as you will see in like a few. And then the places where I just put that matte like finishing powder, I'm gonna go in with the same contour brush and just wipe it off. It makes my face look less like, you know. So this is what we're giving. She's giving very much, I'm sorry, Miss Girl. She's not a girl, it's Miss Toller. It's Judge Toller. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush, and this is from Kaja. And I'm just taking the bottom shade and kind of blush up. I kind of treat it as if it's contour as well, so I kind of go into this area like that. So it gives the dimensions that my face is missing. And I think this is a real, like, I feel like blush was just a situation in the 90s. So now I'm looking a little rosy, a little get together. I'm gonna go in with my Dior mascara, and this is huge, but I have to see. I can't believe I can see my lashes. I feel like I have 25 millimeters on right now. You can't tell me nothing. But now we're gonna go into this palette my mother got me from Morphe. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and I'm gonna go into this black shade on here and this brown shade. Smoke out the ends of my eyes. If I had a brush, I would use it, but I don't. Then at the forefront of this look, I'm going to do this like shimmery gold. The kids gonna be checking for you at the school with this part. I think if they mind their business, that's up to them. If they don't, that's also up to them. But this is your 90s glam or your 90s not glam. Whatever you want it to be, it's yours. Whoever is minding your business can get a job because you're in their heads rent-free, love. Okay. One side of my face picks up makeup way better than the other side, but my Dior highlight, oh, it's a mess in here, but I'm going with this gold shade. This is a highlight trick I learned, but if you smile and that's how you put on your highlight, it looks way better on. The song that is stuck in my head right now is Never Gonna Be President, I'm never gonna be president now. And all I can think about is the king being like, So this is the part where it's like, okay, like she's going full 90s. So my lips have this natural ombre when I put on lip gloss, but for the more exaggerated effects of it all, a new Cotton Suave, and I'm gonna take a brown color on here at the tips of my lip. I'm not gonna outline my full lip, and not really outline, I'm just gonna dab it on. Okay, and she said 90s. If you're gonna get the look, go full out, sis. When you mind your business, your skin glows. This is a lifestyle. Okay, makeup. I'm actually really proud of myself. This is really cute. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, so right now I have this cute top. I literally just wore this top, funny thing, but I feel like it goes with the occasion. And then I have these jeans that I'm gonna wear with it. I feel like all these shoes are pretty cool. Like those shoes will automatically go with the look because that's just extremely 90s. I don't know, like I don't know. These will go as well because those are like super 90s shoes. Okay, so these are the shoes we chose. Oh my gosh, look at the fit. Obsession is not the word. I feel like this kind of screams a little bit of a 90s situation. Like, I don't think a little, I think a lot. It screams a lot of a 90s situation. I love it. If I wasn't just wearing this top on my Instagram, I would definitely like post myself in this. But I'm gonna go take some video footage of the fit and stuff so I can make it aesthetic for this video. So let's go.